Today we are going to do a basic granny square. Very, very basic granny square. It's the type of granny square that you learn how to do and then you can take it further from there. So we're going to do it step by step and it's going to be your first level project, level 1 project. From there you can carry on. So let's grab the coffee. Right, this is your basic granny square. Once you've done this, you'll be able to do any other granny square that is out there. This granny square, we basically crochet from the one side to the other side. You'll understand as we go through. Some of them are different. I'm talking about the patterns you have. But as you progress in your journey of crocheting, you'll be able to understand. But let's get this one done and then progress from there. So what we are going to do is we are going to chain 6. The recommended number of chains that you have is 4, but I find if you are beginning to learn how to do crocheting, 4 leaves an incredibly small hole and really makes it difficult to work through. So let's chain 6 and work on that. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In your first chain here, the first chain that you did, we're going to put our hook through, we're going to yarn over, and we're going to pull through both. Now you can see we've got a nice little ring there. What you do now is you cast on 3, you chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we go yarn over, through the circle, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Yarn over, through the hole, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. You can see you've now got 3 chains, you've got 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. We are now going to chain 2. Then we are going to do exactly the same again. Yarn over, through the hole, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, through the hole, pull through 2, pull through 2. And another one. Yarn over, through the hole, pull through 2 and pull through 2, pull through 2. So what we have now is we've got 3 double crochets, a corner, 3 double crochets. Believe me, you'll understand now. We're going to do another 2 chains and then another set of 3 double crochets. So you carry on and I'll meet you at the end. Now come to the end, so I'm going to chain my last 2 and now I have to join it up. So I'm going to join it into the 3rd stitch of this stitch here. So it's 1, 2, 3 right over there. So I'm going to put my needle underneath those 2, underneath the V, pull through and pull through. So that's a slip stitch. Right, so that's what we've got. We've got 4 sets of 3 double crochets. Now we want to go on to our next row, so we're going to chain 2, turn our work around, yarn over through that hole right here, and we're going to chain 2. Now yarn over through that hole, there we go. So now we've got 3. 1, 2, 3. But because we want to make a corner, what we are going to do now is we're going to chain 2 and we're going to yarn over, and back in that same corner we're going to do another 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3, and that is your corner. So you can already see it's making a corner over there. So let's carry on. We're going to chain 1, then we're going to yarn over and go into the next gap. Through there, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over through the gap, pull through 2, pull through 2. Let's do the third one. So we've done 3. We're going to chain 2 for the next corner, yarn over through the gap, pick up your wool, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. We're going to do another 2 so that we've got a set of 3. And here we go. We now have finished our second corner. So you can see there's a corner here and a corner here. We've now beginning to get a granny square. We're going to chain 1, and there's our next corner, and there's our next corner. So we're going to, in this corner, do 3 double crochets, 2 chains, 3 double crochets, making a corner. Exactly the same for that. So let me get as far as this. You carry on, and let's meet when we're back at this one. We have now got our 4 corners. We've got a corner here, a corner here, a corner here, and a corner here. So all we've got to do is close that gap that we've got there. We are going to chain 1, and then we're going to go into the top stitch, which is right over here, and we're going to slip stitch. So what you're going to do is you're going to yarn over, pull through and pull through that stitch right there. Right, so we've now finished our second row. We are now going to crochet 2, chain 2, 1, 2, and we're going to turn our work around. Now we are going to work into this section right here. And what we are going to do is we're going to put 3 double crochets into that one. So you're going to get 3 double crochets into this one. This one, because it's a corner, you're going to do 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets. That's what creates your corner. These ones here are just 3 double crochets, and you've got a chain 1 on each side. So let's do that, and it'll become quite self-explanatory. 1, that's your 1, 2, and 3. Oopsie daisy, let's start that one again. Right, that's my second one and my third one. I'm going to chain 1, and then I'm going into the corner. Now remember, the corner is 3, 2, 3. 3 double crochets, 2 chains, 3 double crochets. That's 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and 1, 2, 3. Right, we've now got a space here. So that one there, because it's in the middle of the row, it gets 3 double crochets. So we're going to chain 1 and then 3 double crochets into this space. And chain 1. Right, we're now back at a corner, so it's yarn over through the corner, and we're going to do a double crochet, and we're going to do another 1 and another 1 to make 3. And then we're going to chain 2 and do another cluster of 3 double crochets. Chain 1, and then in the middle we've got 3 double crochets. Chain 1, and we're back in the corner. So it's 3 double crochets, chain 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets, until you get to the corner. Now let's get to that corner, then we'll end off over here, because I think that's enough information for you to actually work with. So let me just meet me once we get to the end there, and we can finish off this square. Last one, a cluster of 3, chain 2, and a cluster of 3 double crochets. And we're going to do a chain 1, and then 1, 2, 3 into this one here. We're going to go under that, and we're going to slip stitch, and then I just give it an extra slip stitch. We're going to cut our yarn. I'm going to pull it through, and there you have a granny square. Right, here's your granny square. It is pretty, as far as crocheting goes, it is very, very much one of your basic stitches. Now, if you are new to crocheting, I'm going to encourage you to watch the video. Maybe watch it twice, just so that you can get an understanding of it. And then the third time is watch it with your needle and your wool in your hand. Press pause when you need to, rewind when you need to. It's one of those things that you will get it, but just with a little bit of practice. Now, please bear in mind, we use 6 stitches here. It does give you a big hole. If you look at mine's got a very small one, but I used a different technique. When you're using a chain, we normally use 4, but it can be difficult if you are a beginner. This is just for beginners, for somebody who's learning how to do crocheting. I hope this has helped you. I hope this will set you on your path to many crochet adventures, and I hope you'll be following us as we go along. I've enjoyed my time with you. I certainly hope you've enjoyed your time being here. I will see you soon. Bye for now.